Welcome to Newfies-Dialer. Today we're going to look at creating an SMS campaign. You will need to have an SMS gateway set up. We support Clickatell, Twilio, Plivo and many others. The Newfies-Dialer support team can help with setting up your chosen SMS provider. Click Campaign, then SMS Campaign, then click Add. Give the campaign a name and set the caller ID number. Your carrier may limit what caller ID you can send. Set the SMS gateway to use and the phone book to use. Next, create your text message to send to your contacts. There is a limit of 160 characters. Under the completion settings, you can set the frequency of SMS messages, how fast they're supposed to go out, whether to retry the SMS message if it fails, and how long to wait before trying again. Under the Schedule tab, you can set the days and times to send out your message. Once you've set all the parameters, you can click Save. Now start the campaign. During the campaign, you can check the SMS dashboard to monitor progress. Under the Reporting tab, you can check the SMS report to see the disposition of each SMS message. Thank you for watching, and please contact us if you have any questions or need support on Newfies-Dialer.